I can see the lights in my eyes, so we leave the fights, 'cause we don't live twice. Yeah, I spent years in the grind, even spent years in the road. Wake up every day with a purpose. Out here we're trying to get that gold. See, with us it's more than the paper, and it's more than what we done sold. We make moves coming into the future. Trust, you don't wanna be out in the cold. With time, I feel like it's running out. More time we in the lab trying to work it. 'Cause sometimes life gets a bit heavy, and all it really does is make me wanna go work it. See, all I have is my instincts. My hunger's what I'm bringing to the sound. So I'ma take the next step if the shoe fits. Scared money never make the world go round. See the lights in my eyes, so we leave the fight.
Seen so many fall by the wayside, going out on a limb for a pill. Well, I always had an eye on the long term. Might have been a gully grind, but still on the wax, these words hold weight. So I'm all about putting out tracks that I feel. And even though it's never been easy, had to roll through the highs and the lows. There's been times when a guy had to grit them teeth just to get to ride out of the cold. But I always kept an eye on the big prize, 'cause I never could settle for less. That's why I'm out here hustling tunes, going hard on the rhythms. I'm late to my rest.